everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This reading is for the zodiac sign Sagittarius for the month of January 2022. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Let's see what's going on with you, Sagittarius. Okay. In the month of January, something is ending, something new is starting. Ending of a karmic phase, bad phase, karmic situations. So something is ending, something new is starting. You are ready for a new adventure, new life. You are ready to explore a new traveling situation. Okay, traveling might be involved or a new adventure is involved. Your heart is healing. Your wounds are, your heart is healing. You're going through a healing phase. Your heart chakra is healing, which is very good. Okay, I can see that. You're ready for a new adventure, new life, new phase of your life, because your endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you in the month of January mostly. Oh, but it won't be happening in the month of January mostly. It will take few of the months more. Okay, so you are waiting for something to end, something new to start, which is not happening because you are dealing with karmic connections, karmic situations, karmic phases, karmic relationships, and endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you for the upcoming months, but it's not happening right away in the month of January. It might be happening in after June, July, or August, okay, or in the month of October. You're not trusting your intuition level a lot, Sagittarius, in the month of January. Okay, trust your intuition level a lot. Okay, that will be really good for you. I can also see that there are major changes needed in your life, which is taking a lot of time. Like, there is a wheel of fortune which is turning in your favor, but it will not happen right away. It will take few of the month. Changing of a situation is needed, okay, but that's not happening. It will take at least 10 months, okay. So yes, will be turning in your favor in the next 10 months. So major changes, major shifts are required, which are needed, but not right away. It will not happen overnight in the month of January. It will be taking few of the months, definitely. Okay, so yeah, what's going on with you, Sagittarius, in your love life? This changes might be including either career or relationship as well. Okay, oh, okay, let's see. Okay, so your love life might be affected with children. So if you are already married, your love life is affected by children. Okay, the second thing is that if you are a single, or if you are in a relationship, or if you have just started dating each other, you are getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost self to know each other, the bond deepens. So yeah, if you have started dating someone recently, your bond will be deepening. You will be getting to know each other, which is very good. Get to know each other, because this could lead to the next level of a relationship. The third one, this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So if you are dealing with someone, you might be having romantic feelings for someone. So you feel that this might be the person I'm thinking about, or I want my life to be with. Okay, which is very good. The last one is release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Okay, so as soon as, if you're dealing with the past, and if you're clinging on to the past, and if you start releasing your ex, a new person will enter into your life. Okay, and once you start releasing your ex, a new person or a new bond will be deepening, which is very good. What are the universal messages for you? What are the universal messages for you? What are the universal messages for you? Okay, the universal messages, I chose love no matter what, which is very good. You chose love no matter what. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am, which is very good. The third one, true healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers, which is very good. So, yes, Sagittarius, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care. Wishing you all a very, very, very happy and a prosperous new year, guys. Bye bye. Take care.